What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have the best purchase of the year right here. It was Christmas, and for 20 bucks I picked up a Razer Belleza. Now this isn't your typical pocket mod. This thing is massive and can fit a massive battery in the tray. So as you can see here from factory, this is 36 volts, and it also has 12-inch wheels from factory. So this thing is pretty massive. So cool little fact, if you remove these little brackets, pull all this junk out, you can actually pull all 3 batteries out in one go, kind of like a Crazy Cart XL. So here we are, just gonna pull this bad boy out, and as you can see, we can now fit a huge battery. And obviously you already know what's going in place. So the batteries are moved. Check this out. You can take this pin out, slide this off. My 7228. 1 second. And then check this out. That is fucking insane. What the fuck? That's crazy. So with a couple of parts laying around, I was able to put some hydraulic brakes onto the Belleza. I do recommend swapping out the rotors, because the larger rotors will wear out the pads a lot quicker. But yeah, was able to get this up and running. I slapped in a 48 volt battery just to test this thing out and make sure everything's up and running good before we get into some heavier mods. And as you can see here, even just overvolted with 48 volt, I was able to do a couple little wheelies, some foot drags. I'm still a noob, but you know, it's all good. And from here, we are going to absolutely mod the crap out of this Belleza. So obviously we couldn't leave this thing stock, so I slapped on a Vivo motor, but takes no modification, and a Shoutout 7270 controller, which is basically a Far Driver 72240 with built-in Bluetooth. What's really cool about this is that this controller fit into the stock location of the 36 volt controller. So all we gotta do is clean up the wiring and get this bad boy in. What's gonna be awesome about this is that this is all going to fit under the stock plastics in stock location, so you can't even tell that this thing is modified. Now the thing with the Far Driver controllers, there's a lot of extra wires for displays, signal lights, anything to make your bike or car street legal if it's electric. But yeah, also on that Vivo controller, motor is a 13 tooth sprocket, so we'll be upgrading that to a 15 tooth here shortly. But as you can see, everything is under the plastics. We got the dope hydraulic brakes on here, and when you open up the seat, we got all this space for whatever battery setup you want to run. You can run 36 volt, 48, up to like a 76 volt battery on this controller. And with that, make sure you like and subscribe to stay tuned with the 72 Belleza build, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.